In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on Slack Workspace. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your team's communications by requiring a second check, usually a code from an app or a text message, alongside a password. Enabling it at the workspace level helps protect conversations, files, and integrations from unauthorized access. To begin, make sure you're working in the desktop app or a browser and that you have the right permissions. You'll need to be a workspace owner or admin to turn this on. In your Slack workspace, look to the left sidebar, click on Admin, and then choose Workspace Settings. This takes you to the central hub where security and access settings live. Once you're on the Settings page, move over to the Authentication tab. This is where you manage how people sign in and what security checks are required. Everything related to login protection is grouped here, so it's easy to find and review. Now, select two-factor to set it up. Slack will guide you through enabling it for your workspace, and you may see a prompt to confirm your choice and how strictly you want to enforce it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the change. When it's turned on, members will be asked to set up their own 2FA the next time they sign in, and they'll be led through that process directly by Slack. If you're managing a larger team, consider timing this change so people aren't interrupted in the middle of important work. A quick announcement in a relevant channel can set expectations and reduce confusion. After you enable two-factor authentication, it's a good idea to double-check that the setting is active by revisiting the Authentication tab and confirming the status. If you don't see the admin option in the sidebar, that usually means you don't have the necessary permissions, so you'll want to contact a current workspace admin to complete these steps. Also, if you use different environments, make sure you're applying the change in the correct workspace. And there you go. Once you've clicked Admin, opened Workspace Settings, gone to the Authentication tab, and selected two-factor to set it up, your workspace is protected with an extra layer of security. That's all it takes. With this in place, you'll significantly reduce the risk of compromised accounts and keep your team's information safer. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher while you're setting it up.